Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix Valorant. A critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated. Well, this is a very simple error that happens when you try to play Valorant, and the solution is to right click on the taskbar here and go to the task manager. And once you're here, you have to find Vanguard and you have to close it. In my case, it's not open, I think. Okay, so not open. So you press it and end task. And the next step is to press the Windows and R key. And you have to write the next thing, that is percent local app data, percent, press accept. And here you have to find the Valorant folder. So if you don't find it, you can look for Riot Games and find here Valorant folder. But if you see the Valorant folder, you have to delete it. Then you have to restart your PC. And when you try to play Valorant again, you will be able. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.